to the Blood Clot channel. In today's video, I am going to attempt to solve a problem that I've been having for a while, where the truck vibrates at between 45 mile per hour and 48 mile per hour. Based on some research, it have to do with the drive shaft being out of phase. So let's get right to it. So first of all, I want to wish all you guys a happy new year 2026, and I'm praying and hoping that the freight God be in our favor for 2026. I have some goals, and getting some better freight this year will be the best thing that can ever happen. So let me give you a backstory. Within 2 years, I've had my carrier bearing replaced 2 times. The first time was in Scranton, PA, where I did an inspection, and the technician said I need a new carrier bearing, in which he replaced. I had the vibration shortly after he replaced the carrier bearing. So sometime in Orlando, the same thing happened again, the vibration. I lost a carrier bearing, and a mechanic changed the carrier bearing in a CVS parking lot, and the vibration has still been there. Then in North Carolina, whilst heading home, I had the same thing happen again. The carrier bearing broke. A subscriber commented on a post I made and say I should look into see if the drive shaft is in phase or if it's out of phase, because that's also a symptom. So I did some research, and lo and behold, the drive shaft is out of phase. So that's the backstory, and that's the repair I'm about to attempt. So if you didn't know, the drive shafts are balanced from factory, and this truck uses 2, one on the rear and one from the transmission. So if both are not aligned, say one is like this and one is like that, you will get a vibration at certain wheel speed. And when I went under the truck, that's exactly what I saw. So I thank that subscriber for commenting and give me more insight. Guys, I'm kind of new to this repair thing, so I don't know everything, and I'm learning as I go along. So let me show you what I saw. So if you look on the direction of this is the rear part of the drive shaft. You can see that is almost vertical, right? When you go closer to the front, it's not vertical. So I am assuming that is what they call out of phase. So what I'm going to attempt is get this section right here aligned as possible with the rear. So that is what I'm going to attempt and see if it fixes my issue. So you can see right there, it's almost vertical. You can use this part as reference as well, but that part right there is in a different direction. So let's start. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna get a tie strap on this and put it on this bar to hold it up. Then I'm going to remove 4 13 12 point. Then I'm going to remove the yoke and then put the truck in neutral. Make sure your brakes are on. I also drop the landing gear for safety. And then I'm going to spin front drive shaft and align it to this, because this won't move because it's connected to the front drive shaft. But if the truck is in neutral, you can rotate the front drive shaft. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So I got the yoke off. Time to align it properly now. So there it is, guys. If you can look, it's pretty close. So now I just have to do a test drive and see if the vibration is gone. It may be off by a couple tooth, but yeah, it's pretty close. Look right here. If I zoom, see, it's pretty close. Look. So time to do a test drive. So after 7 hours of driving, I can truly say that readjusting the yoke and putting the drive shaft in phase made quite a big improvement. I slightly feel the vibration now and then at 45 miles per hour and 45 miles per hour. So to me, that's greatly improved compared to back then when it happened, like between 45 and 50 miles per hour, but it was kind of violent. Now it's kind of smooth, and as suspected, I may have been off by a tooth or two, and it's much better right now. So if you had found anything useful or valuable from this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. So until then, just keep trucking. Peace. I'm out.